What we're going to do here is document the sensitivity or difference between our low range soil test kit and our high range soil test kit. So we're going to drop 1 drop of diesel into each our low range and high range solvent extract with catalyst added already, which are here. We've got these both being catalysts. At the bottom of the test tubes is being white. The one on the right represents our soil low range. The one on the left is the soil high range. And we're going to drop a single drop of gasoline or diesel in each one of these to show the sensitivity or how different they are. So here we go. One drop of diesel coming out of the pipette into the test tube of the low range soil. Okay, we're going to do the same for our high range here. 1 drop in our high range. Now, we're going to cap and shake each of these at the same time to see the sensitivity or difference between the two. I'm going to set this down for just a second while I grab these test tubes. Okay, so I've capped our test tubes so that we can now shake these together and see what happens. So we've got 1 drop of diesel in each one of these test tubes. Notice that in our low range, which you can hardly see the writing on anymore, the low range diesel produces a nice tan to brown color, and in our high range diesel produces this yellowish orange color. Now, this is also documented by our calibration photo books here. So, diesel in low range compared to our low calibration book that goes from 0 to 1000 ppm. Here's our result from 1 drop of diesel put in there. Notice that the diesel produced this tan to brown color in our low range, versus in our high range, that same 1 drop of diesel produced this yellow orange color here. So there's definitely a difference here in knowing which of the 2 books you're using or solvents you're using, because of the fact that in our low range, diesel produces this tan to brown, and in our high range, it produces this yellow color. So there is no mix up in what if I got the solvents mixed up or whatnot.